Alright, how's everybody doing today? Today we're going to be doing a little quick review on this Turtle Wax Luxe leather cleaner and conditioner. Check out the seats. I don't know if you can actually see them. Let it focus a little bit. See, it looks real dirty. Looks kind of shiny. So I'm just going to clean this up, give this a try, see how it works. So it's got a cleans, conditions, and protects all in one, so that's pretty good. Triple action, saves time. So you're gonna want to spray it well, or sorry, shake it well, spray onto a soft clean cloth or directly onto the surface. Work well until surfaces are evenly conditioned. Buff lightly with a second clean cloth. All right, so shake this up. We'll start on the top up here. So there, the whole seat's like basically covered, you know. Well, I should have did the headrest also. Spray that, quick spray. Let that sit up for a minute. I'm gonna kind of rub it in. So I'm just going for an even coat, nice even finish. I could actually see some of the stains coming off. So it is working, but I don't know if it's working that great. And I just picked this up, so I kind of wanted to just give it a try, see if it works. Try the wax. Alright, so we rub that one. And then buff lightly with the second clean cloth. So I got a brand new cloth here. Just gonna buff that out a little bit. It says buff lightly. I don't know if you can see the cloth. You can actually see it in my hands. No, right here you can see the dirt. So some dirt did get lifted. Let's see now. Let me see if I get out of the sun here. So it came out really nice up here. This part came out good. Bottom part looks a little bit better. Not as like shiny. Feels a little softer. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick. Give it a try, you know. See if it works, if it was even worth it. Paid about like $4 for that bottle. So I think it's okay for what it is, you know. I should have probably tried one of the better ones, but like I said, it is what it is. I kind of like it, not too bad. So for what it is, I would say it's probably about an 8 out of 10 product. Give it a try. Alright, so look at the back seat. Look at how it came out. Let it focus a little bit here. Come on. Alright, there we go. Alright, so look at the back seat. It came out really nice. You know, I lifted a lot of stains from the back seat there. I think they had a kid in the back seat or something, like a child safety seat. So there was a lot of like dirt and everything back there. Actually cleaned up really nice. Doesn't smell that great. It smells a little bit like alcohol-y, but looks good. Came out good, supple. So yeah, guys, if you get a chance and you see this like at Walmart or somewheres and you just want to get something to clean up your leather, I would definitely recommend it. Get yourself a bottle, clean up your seats. clean them and condition them, guys. And thank you for sticking around and watching this quick review of the Turtle Wax product. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later, guys.